Guys, I'll show you some really cool stuff over here. There's nice development. Look at this. We finished this in less than a year, right? Knock it out. Baron Builders, man. They go fast. They're the biggest builder in town. These guys are like right under Rabbi. Rabbi is the biggest, and then look at this basement. Beautiful. Wow. This is so nice. Oh, this is for kids. Wow. Man. You build this over there? Can play over here. Can I rent it for a day for my kids? Really? Look at this. You play this, you hit the buttons. Oh, look at that guy's chair. Wow. I would never guess such nice interior. So cool. Wow. Look at this house. Regular house. Pipe. This is the pipe. You can just screw it in this.